Good evening, guys. I just want to make a quick video for these items that I have. This one is, the first one is some cafe L holder set. So let's do this one. As all of you know, I love to collect L holders sometimes. So it's a set, so it has 3. Oh, he looks very young here. Ah, very cute. He looks like a boy next door. Okay. And then I have the first one, a complete set of the paper toy with towel in it. But because this one is the Christmas edition, I don't want to say anything anymore, but I purchased only 7. So let's open this one. Of purchasing everyone, but I'm still thinking. So this. So that's it for the Christmas edition paper toy. And this one is Celebrity Magazine with Jay Park as their cover. Inside is the Halloween event. So we have the Essen Town Wonderland. If you can see, Sehonazu is in there. And we have Harry Potter Chin. Changmin is so cute. Okay. Well, that's it. So I got it because of course, the Halloween, of course, Jay Park. I love Jay Park. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys next month. And have a good night. Bye bye.